Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss for the some module like Pdur module. Okay, so Pdur basically Pdur. Okay, so first we'll see as earlier as I discussed the how the data will transfer. Okay, if you will continuously you are seeing my video, then you know the how the data will move. Okay, once again I will explain the how the first the data will transfer or move from one layer to another layer. Okay, then we will see what is the PTR. Okay, so the data will transfer from the CAN driver to CANIF to PDR to COM to application through RT. Okay, so this is the way the data will transfer from one layer to another layer. Okay, from bottom to top. Okay, so we will see CAN driver, CANIF. Okay, CANIF to PDUR. Okay, PDUR to COM. Okay, COM to application. Okay, through RT. So here we have to understand. Okay, first we have to see the data will move from the CAN driver to CANIF. Okay, in the form of LPDU. Okay, then the data will transfer from the CANIF to CANIF in the form of IPDU. Okay, so here PDR. So basically PDR is the interface between the source and destination. Okay, so what is the source, what is the destination, we have to see, right? So here the source is CANIF. Source is CANIF. The data is taking the PDR data taking from the where? The bottom layer. Bottom layer means CANIF only. Okay, so the PDR taking the data from CANIF. Okay, then it's transferred to which one? COM model. So COM is nothing but destination. Okay, so PDR is basically it is interface between the source and destination. Okay, okay, so here source is CANIF and destination is COM. This is the what the source and destination. Okay, so after that the data will transfer to PDR to COM in the form of IPDU only. Okay, IPDU. Okay, then now here COM. So basically COM is responsible for the packing and packing the signals. Okay, from here to here the data will transfer as a data only. Okay, but after COM it will transfer as a signal, as a signal. Okay, so COM is responsibility about the packing and unpacking the signal. Okay, so here we are looking the PDR basically. So I hope PDR understood, right? So PDR is the interface between the source and destination. So here source is the CANIF and destination is the PDR. That is the purpose of PDR, sorry, COM. So that is the purpose of PDR only. Okay, so next the data will transfer to the COM to application. Okay, so that signal will transfer from COM to application through the RT. Okay, so this is the way how the data will transfer. Okay, from one layer to another layer, another layer to another layer. Okay, so this is the data and signal will transfer. Okay, so now coming to PDR. Okay, so as I said, PDR is the interface between the source and destination. Okay, let's see what are the parameters which we have to configure in the PDR. What are the parameters will come? Okay, that we will see. Okay, so in PDR, first it will come PDUR routine table. Okay. So this is what first we have to select PDUR routine table while we are doing configuration. Okay, with the respect of the PDUR model. Okay. Next we have to, in PDUR routine table it will come PDUR routine path. Okay, what will come? Path. This we have to configure. Okay, after the routine table. Okay, so in routine path, what the parameter will come, that we will see. Okay, so here first two things will come. As I discussed here, PDUR is the interface between the source and destination. That's what here we have to configure, nothing else. Okay, so in PDUR first will become PDUR source. Okay, and PDUR destination. Okay, so this is the two parameter which we have to configure in the PDUR model. Okay, so yeah, so again the in source and destination some parameter which we have to configure. Okay, so let's see what all the parameter which will come in the source and destination. Okay, okay, so in source and destination, so first we will see which are the parameter we have to configure in the source. So in both, as a source and destination, we have to configure two parameters only. Okay, so in source we have to configure PDUR source handle ID. Okay, handle ID we have to configure. Okay, next we have to give PDUR reference, PDUR source. So here PDUR source, PDU handle. Okay, PDU handle. Okay, so here PDU reference we have to give. Okay, so this is the two parameter which you have to configure. Okay, while doing the PDUR source module. Okay, so now we will see destination. Destination say PDUR destination PDU handle ID. Okay, handle ID we have to configure. Next, PDUR destination. Okay, PDU reference we have to give. That's it. Nothing else. There is few parameter, 5 or 6 parameter which we have to remember. We have to keep on the mind. Okay, but nothing. Just we have to understand concept the source and destination, which we have to. Source is the can, for destination is the call. That's it. In source we have to handle ID and PDU reference, and destination same, PDU handle ID and destination. So these are the parameter which we have to configure in the PDUR. Okay. So once I can explain once more that PDUR is the one of model which will interface between the source and destination. So here source is the CANIF and destination is the COM. The data will transfer from the CAN driver to CANIF, CANIF to PDUR, PDUR to COM. After that application through the RT. So that is the way the data will transfer. Here in middle the PDUR is the middle. So it is interface between the source and destination. Okay. So yeah, that is the PDUR. That much not parameter in PDUR. Just you have to configure source and destination. Okay, from where we want to transfer the data, from where we are taking and where we want to transfer. That's it, the PDUR. Okay, so yeah, fine. So let's see. This is the PDUR configuration. So in PDUR up to here only we will see some different model. COM model we will see in the another video. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video.